Welcome back to Punta Cana, all you can see. Today we are making a little city tour. We are in Veron. That's between Punta Cana and Bavaro. You don't have to come here when you're on vacation, but sometimes there are Airbnbs in these areas and they are as an Airbnb in Punta Cana or Bavaro, but you are in Veron. So maybe it's a good idea to know where you're at. Okay, there is Punta Cana, that's where the airport is, and there is Punta Cana village, then there is Veron, and then there is Bavaro. When I came here 21 years ago, that was the airport, nothing, 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 Veron, nothing, 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 and then Bavaro. Now it's all one. That's why I'm not really sure if each of it is its own little village or growing together. I think it's you can say it, put it to Zona Turística de Bavaro, and Veron is growing to be a part of it. And still more Dominican. It's very close. It's only 14 kilometers. And as I said, you can't really say like this is Bavaro here and this is Veron. One goes into the other. So let's have a drive-through. I'm driving with Fräulein Tong Tong, so you can enjoy as well Dominican traffic a little bit. And I will stop at certain points and show you a little bit what you can do and see here. As well, there's the Pueblo Bavaro. If you are thinking to move to the Dominican Republic, that's as well a place where a lot of foreigners live, where they have houses or an apartment. There is the supermarket Olé very close. And yeah, busy Dominican Republic starts right here. That's the intersection Bavaro, Punta Cana, Veron. And we are driving this direction into the heart of Veron. Whatever, we're going now.
Suéltame, suéltame ahora, baby, suéltame, suéltame ahora, baby, déjame, suéltame.
Casa Holland is in Veron, I would say, since I remember, maybe even since Veron was made, it's here forever. It's a very long time. I buy a lot of my plants here, and I'm show you why. You come here for one plant, and you leave with a lot of them. I prefer to come with a motorbike, so I cannot take the whole shop with me. Let's walk through Casa Hollanda in Veron. Ciudad del Sol, that's a gated community where you can rent or buy little houses, and it's directly here off the main road from Veron. There's another entrance from the other side, two entrances. And just a little bit down the road, there is Ferreteria Detallista, like a hardware store where you can buy nails, screws, hammers, tubes, everything that you would need to build something. Along the street you find little shops like this where you can buy fruits or potatoes or whatever you need, some vegetables. They had some fruit plates prepared, so as well it's always good to check it out and have a little snack on the road. We have a lot of workshops here in Veron. You can see behind the fruit shop is a Centro de Frenos. They, for example, they check your brakes. You can buy car parts, you can buy motorbike parts and have other things repaired like your air condition or, well, whatever is it that's not really working on your car. You can come here in Veron and for sure you find someone who can fix it for you. Many shops have their merchandise directly on the street, and as well you find a lot of shops that sell things you need for your house, like the gas tanks for cooking, washing machines, beds, your stove. When you're driving in Veron or in other Dominican cities, you find that all over. That's a little ferreteria, Centro Ferretero. You can buy paint here, or brushes, or a door, so whatever you need is there. And then as well, whenever you're driving in Dominican Republic, remember it's a little bit different, so have your eyes open all the time. I needed to put this in slow motion so you don't miss a motorbike here with the two guys that have these huge tube and transferring it to wherever. You just hope they don't turn around while you're next to them. Behind me, the supermarket Ole. That's a very important part here in Veron because you can buy almost everything in there. If it's a part for your car, a new battery, or some fruit, some veggies, or your meat as well, your shoes, your shorts, you can find everything at Ole. And it's here in the, I don't know where you would say the center of Veron, but it's just next to the Pueblo Bavaro. On the other side are the food trucks Veron, where we have been once already. And there are some fast food locations behind me over there. There is a bank, there is a farmacia over there, is a referencia. And we really have seen a small part of Veron today, but at least now you have an idea. There's Punta Cana, there's Veron, and then there's Bavaro, where you can get what. And well, if you have an Airbnb here close or you're thinking of moving to the Dominican Republic, it's good to know where to find some things. I say goodbye, thank you for watching, and I see you in the next video here on Punta Cana, all you can see. Bye bye.